Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Avenue Daily, where learning English and fun.
Hey, Emma. Hi, everyone. I'm Alex. It's great to be here with you again.
It is wonderful to be back. Let's get started. Yeah, I'm really excited about today's conversation. We wanted to do something a little different this time.
We wanted to do something a little different this time.
Exactly.
Exactly. Instead of focusing only on grammar and vocabulary, we're going to talk about real everyday life.
Hello, Kuing. That's right. In normal life, native speakers talk about complicated subjects. Most conversations are about work, shopping, family, plans, or what happened during the day.
And listening to these kinds of everyday stories can be a really useful way to improve your English listening skills.
Absolutely. So, Alex, tell me, how was your evening yesterday?
Or evening yesterday. Oh, my evening? It turned into a bit of an adventure. After work, I opened my refrigerator and realized I had almost nothing left.
Oh, no!
Yeah, so I had no choice. Needed to go to the supermarket.
Going grocery shopping right after work can be stressful. That's usually when the stores are packed.
Aketa, that's usually when the stores are packed. Exactly. When I arrived, the parking lot was completely full. I drove around for almost 10 minutes before I finally found a space. I
hate when that happens. You're already tired after working all day, and all you want is to grab your food and get home.
That's exactly how I felt. Anyway, I finally parked, walked inside, grabbed a shopping cart, and headed toward the vegetable section.
So you were just looking for a few basic things for dinner?
Yes, nothing special. I needed some vegetables and a few other things.
Did you find everything you needed?
I did, actually.
But something unexpected happened first. Really? What happened?
While I was choosing some tomatoes, I suddenly heard someone call my name.
Wait, really? Who was it?
It was an old friend of ours, Sarah. Sarah, you remember her, right?
Oh, wow, yes. Of course I remember Sarah. She used to work in the office next to ours.
That's the one.
I haven't heard about her in ages. How is she doing?
She's doing great. She told me she recently started a new job downtown, and she seemed really happy about it.
That's wonderful. She always wanted to work in the city center, didn't she? She did.
She did. We ended up talking right there in the middle of the aisle.
How long did you two talk?
Probably around 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Right in the middle of the supermarket?
Yep. And I'm pretty sure we were blocking the aisle for everyone else.
That's what happens when you unexpectedly meet an old friend. You completely forget about the time.
Exactly. And honestly, it was one of those little moments that can completely change your mood.
How so?
I had been exhausted after work, but talking with Sarah made me feel much more energetic.
That's so true. Sometimes one simple conversation can turn a stressful day into a much better one.
Exactly. Small moments like that can really make a difference.
That's all for part 1 of today's conversation. We hope you enjoyed this everyday English story.
In part 2 and part 3, the story continues: situations, useful phrases, and an important lesson about learning English.
Don't forget to subscribe. So if you want to hear what happened next and learn more practical English, make sure you watch part 2 and part 3.
Yes.
And if you're enjoying English Avenue Daily, hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
We'd also love to hear from you in the comments.